This is the Creative Pebble V3, a compact, versatile PC speaker that is getting lots of positive reviews online. It has a sleek, minimalist design and has a bunch of connectivity options like USB-C with a USB Type-A adapter, Bluetooth 5.0, and auxiliary in jack. But before anything else, here's a quick unboxing of the Pebble V3. As mentioned, the speaker is quite versatile. With Bluetooth 5.0, you'll be able to stream your music just like a dedicated mini sound system without necessarily being tethered to a PC. You can actually use compatible phone chargers to power the speakers. But if you want to amplify the sound further, you can toggle the gain slider at the bottom. That will only work if you have a 10-watt USB-C port or 5 volts 2 amps USB-A power adapter. You'll know it when the green light indicator changes to blue. The sound is pretty impressive across the board. The clear dialogue processing does what it says. The voices in movies and podcasts are crystal clear. However, the Pebble V3 is lacking in the bass department. It is by no means terrible, but for those who love bass-heavy music, might want to look somewhere else. But overall, this is still an impressive speaker with rich and clear audio. And considering it only costs around $40, this speaker is a steal. Thanks for watching. You can find the link of the product via the description below.